You wanna smoke up now?
Don't do it, Johnny. Don't do it.
Trevor! You been with my girl again? I'm speaking with you, asshole!
Don't do it, Johnny. I told him, Trevor. I told him.
We all get high! We all get high! But that don't make it right!
Johnny, leave it.
The crystal has got us, babe, but that don't make it right. Don't make nothing right. Not what you done with me.
I'm telling Johnny, leave it.
I ain't leaving nothing.
ពូតែយកសងសាគេអូ
I'm talking to you,
thôiសំខាន់
motherfucker.
អត់និយាយរទៀត
What are you saying?
Fucking my girl, man. It's wrong.
Well, I gotta fuck someone. You want me to fuck you instead? Is that the problem here? Take off your pants, cowboy. All right, let's fuck.
You think this is funny?
Get them off!
អញ
Told him to leave it, Trevor. I told him. Leave it. Leave it.
Shut up, Ron. I'm about to fuck me a meth head, ain't I, cowboy? Get my boy sucked from his toothless gums.
Fuck you, Trevor. I still love her.
All right, cowboy. Hey, I know. Hey, come on.
I don't mean nothing by it, man.
I know.
I'm messed up.
I know, cowboy. It's okay, man. Give me a hug, yeah.
Liberty Walk អីឬក៏អីគេ Rider អីណាគេនោះហី
Cowboys forced our hand.
ចុះមុនហ្នឹងថាសម្រាប់អីប៉ិនគេឥឡូវទៅមួយហ្សឺពីរហ្សឺទៀតសិនព្រោះគេលុត mission មកពូ driver ហើយឥឡូវហ្នឹងគេដើររក Michael ហើយ
Much of a hurry.
ព្រោះ Michael ហ្នឹងមិត្តចាស់របស់គេហើយ Michael ហ្នឹងអាពេលអាវគ្គដំបូងហ្នឹងយើងឃើញថាត្រូវគាត់ត្រូវអីហ៎ហើយគាត់ថា Michael ហ្នឹងស្លាប់បាត់ហើយព្រោះឃើញមានឯណាធ្វើ
Disrespect women.
ស្អីៗណាអញ្ចឹងណា Travel គាត់ពងតែខឹងដែរថាពូម៉ាក់ស្លាប់រស់ជាមួយគ្នាធ្វើចេញមកកន្លងឆែកទៅ
We're going up to that farm on the right. That's where they're meant to be.
Whoa. Hey, you seen Ashley? Johnny's looking for her.
Well, you know, as a matter of fact, I just did, just 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I saw her on the end of this penis here.
Johnny ain't gonna be cool if you messing with her again.
ងាប់បា
Oh,
ត់ហើយ
really? Well, you don't think so, huh? Well, why don't we just ask him then, huh? Hey, cowboy, you mind that I fucked your old lady?
Oh.
Sorry. What was that? Well, no, you don't mind? Oh, because you're a dead man? And the only sentient part of you left is this little bit of brain and the gristle on the end of my boot? Well, thank you very much, cowboy.
Bullshit!
Oh, I like it, denial. That is first part of the grieving process, brothers. Now let's all hold hands, huh? Well, looks like you got something you want to say, huh? You got something you need to say?
This better be bullshit.
Oh, where you guys going, huh? Let's go, ladies.
តើ
If that van takes us back to the camp, this area ain't gonna have a biker problem much longer. You can't fuck with the van, but we can drop those bikers.
He fell. There's the other one.
Now we follow the van back.
Aren't we meant to be letting the van run? I thought you was letting them go to the others.
បាញ់កង់ឡានវិញបាញ់កង់ឡានវិញ
There, if we shoot it too much.
ហែងគាត់តាចុយមកនេះឡើងនេះអញអើយអញអើយតតែត្រូវកាឡារបស់វាទៀតបានវាឡើងបានទៀតអើយងាប់ហើយ
Did you see the look on their
អានេះអ្នកសេកូដប្រាប់ថាឯងឡើងតែតាមផ្លូវហ្នឹងបាន
That's a sharp left. Maybe you should hold off shooting the van. Hold off till we get there, right?
You need some seatbelts back here!
បាញ់កង់ឡានអីទៅបាញ់កង់ឡានអីទៅ
I only
Lại
keep
mất
things
dương
in the back
đi
I
món
don't
ấy.
mind losing.
Oh. Aren't we meant to be letting the van run? I thought you was letting them go to the others. I can't see us taking out all the bikers this go, boss. If we go off the side on the left there, we should make it across.
អានេះទៅបាយកង់rồi đóជួយបាយកង់នេះទៅបុកទៀតបោកសមបោកសមបោកសមបោកសមបោកសមបោកសម
Do we know where they're going yet?
I got a feeling, yeah, but we gotta make sure.
Once you know, you You could drop me and Wade at the trailer. Maybe bring Jeff to finish that.
We do this now, Ron, all of us. I gotta take that back to blood. I'll make my own Lost MC colors out of this prick's leather. Where we go? Come on. Go!
Chiếc cao là môi nó khang khối nó chứ hàng cối chọp đấy.
Oh, look, they're pulling up. You did it, Trevor. They're stopping.
Sit
Nâng
back
nè.
and watch the show, you useless pricks. Work guard.
Cho. Khoa bà Linh.
Asshole.
Mà. Tránh má. Nơi nè tí.
Step right up. Step right
Ừ.
up.
Cái này kia trời nó quá.
Get down. He's gonna be on that hog much longer. Don't worry. There's plenty of me to go around.
Bạn là mò đó. Chọn tha bà lên travel hãy dừng lên ngắt với đôi chỉ ninh tế cái nhé vì
You don't want to know me when I'm here.
dừng lên travel hãy dừng lên ngắt với đôi chỉ mình tới này vì đôi chỉ tới này ta vô
That trailer's got some combustible shit in it. I'd steer clear, okay? Don't worry. There's plenty of me to go around.
ý my brother sẽ cái á bon tôn mùa thằng cá là
Forget how to use your horn? Have some respect for pedestrians. This is hard for me too. I've had to kill half the tweakers in the county.
nó khơi
Come
nhỉ
out and avenge your fallen comrade.
sòng xài sòng xài ta mẹ vô chiêm xem bùng bừng
Ah!
ta ở đây ban explore nơi cái làng phu ní nè miền cặp lơ miền đây thế nè ở cầu ok cho vào đây phải gì cho mày
Bad move
explore
now, are you,
phải là explore
Abby?
lại đi tích đầm bầy cho nghe là khang lơ chẳng tiệt lôi mẹ
You ain't got anything flammable like a meth lab in that trailer, do you? I hope you're an organ donor.
xê kê
This is hard for me too.
xê kê đâu xê kê
I've had to
thử
kill
kê
half the tweakers in the
Huh?
county.
pro thử cái mình
Get cover.
pro thử cái mình sờ ấy nè chị
Man, you're kidding me. Let's have some fun.
sờ tới ấy nè chị xê kê chị kê sờ thử anh chị hay nè chị rất tên nát mà rất tới rất tới đừng bàn mò thế xí kia thế này này nát mùi tiệt rất tới ấy thả cho bạch rột bàn kê bánh khlang à đọc về cái bàn tàu bánh thơ của đây thơ là không tàu bà này về hỗ trợ ở chiêm ti dương mình sẽ là rột thế nè mình sẽ rột tới thời mới chia 10 phòng giặt vơ on bờ cho explore lại này cho explore lại nè ok អានេះចូលអត់បានទេអានេះចូលបានអត់អានេះចូលបានហើយខាងនេះចូលបានហើយអត់បានតែបានទៅមុខទៀតយកម៉ូតូជិះវិញកុំឲ្យហត់ទៅអស់ stamina ឈប់យើងដើរកោះផ្ទះពួកវាអស់
Thanks for all your help there, fellas. Now get back in the truck.
ពួកនេះយកមកមិនបានជួយអីនេះ
Wade, what are you still doing here?
ឡើង
You said
I said
Need to
go
go.
find a fucking ghost in Los Santos, all right? You looking for motivation? And get me some sticky bombs. We're dropping in on Ortega.
The Aztecas? That makes me nervous.
Don't be nervous, Ron. He'll be fine with the takeover.
Takeover? Trevor! We don't need to. Now the bikers are gone. It's just us, the Aztecas, and the O'Neills. The market's big enough. This Chinese contacts gonna buy crystal fast as we can
មួយ
cook
ពូ
it.
travel មួយអត់បានទេ
Meet
បាទ
them at the end.
គឺថាដាក់មួយហើយទាំងអស់ហ្មង
We're nearly
អត់មានអីពិបាកច្រើនទេតោះអត់មានអីឲ្យបាក់ច្រើនទេហ្នឹងមែនអាហ្នឹងមែនមេធំអាហ្នឹងមែនមេធំហ្នឹងមែនតោះតោះទៅហ្មងអញ្ចឹងទៅហ្មងអញ្ចឹងចាំបាត់ទៅវារត់ចេញតាមនោះទៅហើយបាទ
What the fuck, Trevor?
This is the fuck, my soggy friend. You are out of business. The Lost MC are out of business. The guns and crank in this area go through Trevor Phillips Enterprise, or they ain't going.
Saying something don't make it true. We was always cool. You ain't gonna last. You ain't gonna hold it together.
តែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទៅបានហើយតា
I guess he don't run nothing no more.
មកទៅនេះទេ
We can go now, right?
តោះ
I don't know what these naysayers are talking about. Look at me. I'm cranked on speed.
Wait up!
I'm cranked on speed most of the time, but I'm productivity personified.
You sure achieved a lot today.
It was time to put my affairs in order.
You going
តែប៉ុតបលេងតែ main story លឿន
Find
ចឹង
that Spectre on the TV.
ឥឡូវយើង focus លើ main story សិនទៅ
He's your buddy, you said.
នេះតែ
got
main
shot,
story ទៅ
right?
បាន
You
អា
guys
សាយ
fought?
mission ចាំយើង
That's him. My best pal.
លេងតាមខំ
thought he was
អូបើលេង
You're catching on
សាយ
fast.
mission ផង
Yeah, the
Hay
fucking
bà lên
ghost
rồi đi
I've been
hỏi vua.
talking about.
He's alive?
He's
មែនទេប្រញាប់ចប់ទេ
he's
តែ
talking. He's sticking up joints, so I guess, yeah.
ព្រោះអីវាអត់មានន័យថាត្រូវយើងអូសកន្លាយូរបើសិនជាអាហ្នឹងហ្គេមវាតែបញ្ចេញថ្មីថ្មីគេមើល យើង
It's the same corny
Still
shit he
over
was
there.
spewing 10 years back.
This could be a trap, Trevor.
អូ
What
ឆ្ងាយ
if someone
ឆ្ងាយ
wants you to think
ឡាន
he's
ជិះលេងចង់
alive?
ទៅមុខឡានពូ driver
I
ឡើង
was
អល
fooled
វិញ
when I thought he was dead.
ចុះប៉ុន driver ហ្នឹងអាពេលដែលវគ្គទី1ដែល plot ទៅរៀគាបានហ្នឹងលុយមកកំព្យូ
He's
ទ័
in
រ
Los Santos, and he's
ហើយ
got some
មក
exploding
រៀបចំជីវិត
They could
អ
be
ត់លះអ
trying
លាក់
to draw you
Lúc nào
out
lột lây
into
chẳng.
the open.
That's a
អើយយ៉ាប់
conspiracy
ពូ
theory
driver
too
មួយ
far.
ពិបាកបដៅ
Even
អាបែប
for
នេះ
you,
បាទ
Ronald.
Really? Well, anyway, it seems like a shame for you to be going.
Oh,
just as TP
nah,
Industries
nah,
is
nah,
finding
nah.
its feet.
I'll do what I can to put the business on its path before I depart.
The company needs you, boss.
You'll do fine in
គេ
my
ពង
absence.
គេ intro ប៉ុណ្ណោះ
I don't know what this Michael Townley's
សាក់ក្រិនអា
about,
នេះមិនមែនសាក់ក្រិនវែងខ្មែរអានេះចង់ចូលសាក់ក្រិនបែកនេះ
What he's
driver
got
ហ្នឹង
is answers. Get out of the car, Ron.
ចាញ់
Anytime
ចាញ់
you
ញ៉ៃញ៉ៃ driver ចាប់ខោកលើ
think. Run!
ឆៅអរេ driver ឆៅអានេះអត់បានទេឆៅខ្លាំងអា driver អូខេតោះដល់ក៏ម៉ែ sợ ta rồi rôm rồi bây giờ alright តោះយើង
Speak.
You know I don't like using these things. They're listening.
Then make it quick.
That business thing's been set up. The Chinese guy, Mr. Chang, is at the inn.
You said that
Sige,
on the
Mr. Chang
phone?
mà bị nè.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Damn it, Ron! Now I'm gonna have to discipline you, and you know how I feel about that.
Ok, tỏ dương xay gà muôi đò mở rồi